In this video, I'll show you how to use Gauth AI study feature. Now to use it here, you can select it like this. Here, click on study, select it. Now what you do now here is to take a picture like this. And here I will ask it a study question based on business management. You can see, let me ask it this question. Now here you can see the question here. Now take a picture of the question, or you can upload it by clicking this icon, but here I will take a picture of it. You can see now here, click on this center icon here to take a picture of it here. Now wait for it. Now also you can take a picture of it part by part, like take a picture of each part one by one, and then after taking a picture of it, what you do now is to click on next here. Now here, wait for it to develop a study guide here. Now you can see you have developed a study guide. Now here you can see. Now also here, by clicking here flashcards, you can see flashcards here. It will break it down in steps for you to understand it more. It will break it down in flashcards for you to understand it. Now here also you can see quiz here. By clicking this quiz, you can see highlighted standard question by Gauth AI, which means the question that they might ask you based on the study question you send here. You see, you can also click on see more to see more. Here you can see more here, and also you can answer anyone by clicking on it like this, and it will show you the correct answer. You can see here. Also you can go back like this by clicking this back facing arrow on the top side here. Now also you can go back to the study guide like this here by clicking on the study guide here. You can see here. Now also you can refine it, means you can re-ask it by clicking here, this icon here. Now also you can ask it to give you more detail by clicking this more detail here. Also you can ask it to give you more concern by clicking this more concern here. Also here, by clicking this search icon, means you want to ask a follow-up question here. You can ask a follow-up question here on this search icon here and type your follow-up question. Also here in this straight line icon on the top side here is where you can, here by clicking on it like this, is where you can share it or send a feedback here, feedback question based on the problem you find here. You can see here, this is the best AI study companion or homework helper that can dissect any question perfectly, not for promotion but by text. So try this application and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Also, you can find a link to download the application on the description section, and also link to the playlist to know everything about this AI 2 application. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.